We'll guide you through how to change your Facebook location setting. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on Facebook. So for whatever reason you're looking to change the location setting, there are different ways you can go about this, so make sure this full guide step by step and you know the different options you've got. Perhaps you've gone and moved, which is why you want to do this, or there's another reason. So let's go and get right into it. So for the first way, you can go and change this for the marketplace. You can go to the bottom, press marketplace. Then you can go to the top right and you'll go and see the current location set. You can tap there, it'll go and open up. And what you can do is go and press the search in the top right of this section. And then you can go and choose where you are. So I can go and type in London, for example, then press return. I can then go and select London, United Kingdom. I can go and choose the radius and then go and press apply. And as you can see in the top right, we've now gone and changed the setting. So that's the first way. Now for another way, you may want to go and change the location that appears on your profile. So to get your profile from the home page, you can go to the left of what's in your mind and press your profile icon. Or alternatively, you can go to the bottom right or potentially the top right, depending upon your device, and press the profile button. This used to be menu. If you still get taken to the menu, you can then go and press your name at the top and you'll be brought to your profile. You'll see my location on my profile here, but what you want to do is go and press the three lines in the top left, open up the menu or come back to the menu, scroll down to settings and privacy and tap on it to expand it, and then you can press settings. In here, you want to go down and you want to go and find audience visibility and press profile details. In personal details, you'll find location there and you can press the pen or pencil, which is edit to the right, and you can then go and type in where you are. I typed in London and we can then go and select it. Then you can choose who you can see at the bottom and press save. Then come back to your profile and I'll go and refresh it and it'll go and be changed. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to helping you again in the future with more useful how-tos.